So the pros of the contact rein is that we can have real subtle communication in our hands. The pros of that long rein, that Western rein, is we really get a horse where they don't try to build and they get a lot more handy because they're guiding off of your legs and off of your seat versus on your hands. So this is going to give you a lot more relaxed look. So I'm using this loose rein for anything Western, anything that I want handy, obstacles, trail riding, anything like that. And then I'm using my contact rein for any horse that I want to build up. If I'm trying to make a dressage horse, if I'm trying to make a gaited horse, I want to drive that horse up into the bridle, make them big, make them bold, and I'm going to have them right there in my hands. So those are the pros and cons of contact versus loose. Hope that helps you. Hope that answers some of the questions that you guys have had, and I'll see you in the next video.